How to make him miss you, 5 ways to make him crazy for you. So you want to learn how to make him miss you. You've tried every trick in the book, and you're coming up short. You're really trying to work the whole "absence makes the heart grow fonder" thing, but you could use some guidance on how to make him miss you. 1. Be the type of woman he would actually miss. The secret to how to make him miss you? Be an awesome girlfriend and partner. Greet him with a hug and a smile. Make him feel special. What man doesn't love that? If you have negative things to say, try holding them in. Or at least spread them out so your man doesn't get hit by a barrage of criticism every time you're together. 2. Give him some space. The more space you both have, the more you'll miss one another and have lots to talk about when you connect again. And it'll set the course for a healthy marriage when the time comes. Not all married couples prioritize alone time. 29% say they don't have enough alone time or time for themselves. 3. Stop trying to make him miss you. To be absent. You're not really absent if you're popping up on social media or text every 5 seconds. When you're apart, go away. I mean that with love, my dear. But you don't need to constantly pop up in his feed for him to think about you and make him miss you. The less you're around, the more likely he is to reach out to get your attention. 4. Move slower than he wants. Talking about your boundaries early on and making sure your partner is on the same page and has an understanding of who you are is so important. Setting boundaries early keeps you from hurting his feelings later when you say you want some space, or want to give him some. But you'll both benefit from it. 5. Leave a little mystery in the conversation. Keep him wanting more. That makes him look forward to the next time you're together, when he can ask you about that crazy scar on your elbow. And when he believes there's more depth to you, when he knows he wants to keep seeing you, he's going to miss you. He's going to want to dive into that complex person that is you, even if you only give him a nugget at a time. If you want to know more, then click on the link in the description below, or visit datingwins.com/hissecret. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the new dating wins? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more dating wins.